We are going to set up a smoking pro grill, one of the Char-Grill. It comes in this box. After we take it out of this box, then you have another box inside of it that you also have to take it out of. It is very heavy, so you gotta be careful if you're doing it by yourself. This is the grill, how they shipped it all wrapped up. Now you gotta put it together. So I will show you how to put it together step by step. You just use a knife and you cut the shrink wrap right in the middle here. And then that will open up the grill and all the parts are inside. There go all your parts and the smoker that are going to be on the side. That is going to be on the side. Here go the parts on the smoker that is going to be on the side when you finish set up the grill. This is all the parts that it come with. So now we have all the parts laid out. We're gonna go ahead and see where they all fit so we can get this grill put together. Inside the smoker you'll find the manual and all the hardware that you need to put the grill together. You want to lay out the legs, the two rubber parts facing each other, and then you have the other two that going to be the part where the wheel go facing each other. And then you want to join them right there, and right there is where you join them. So you want to join those two together. Next, you want to put the bottom rack in here and in there, and at this side and this side. That way you could hold the frame together. Then you could continue to attach the other part of the frame. Now you want to install this side piece right here. You're gonna install this side piece with 2" and a 3/4 bolt, 1" and a 3/4 bolt on the other side. That's the bolt that come in the 912 bag. Use that and install to kind of frame up the frame so it can be stable for you to move to the next step. You're going to put this long axle right through, push it from one side all the way through. Then you put on the wheel, and then you put this little pin right here to hold the wheel in place. After that you're gonna put on this cap. That's the cap. You're gonna put it over the little pin, and that's gonna seal off the edge of the wheel. Now you want to put on your jump. You want to make sure the wheel is to your left, and the part where the smoker gonna attach to is to your right. And you put your 1 and 3/4 screw from here through the jump, and then you have these bolts that you bolt them with. So you got the bolt on the inside that you bolt them with. Next step, we're gonna try to attach the smoker to the side. We are going to attach the smoker to the side. After you put on the jump, you see the jump, you have all these bolts that we used to put on the jump. Then you want to put on the smoker. The smoker you gotta attach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screw in the smoker. You have a 6 1/2" and 2" and 3/4, and they're all bolted back inside here. You can see where they bolted back inside. After you put on the smoker, then you put on the cover part, the wood of it. So the cover you put on it, you bolt it through here, you bolt it through here with the 2 bolts for it, and then you have the pin that you use to lock it in place. If you're like me doing it by yourself, when you have a small chair like this, it comes in pretty handy to help you to hold up the smoker so you can get it installed. Next, you want to attach the shelf arm. You use 2 1/2-inch screws and put in here, and you bolt them on the inside. There go the bolts, there go the bolts. And then you're ready to put on the shelf for the outside to your left. Now we have on the shelf. You have these right there that hold the shelf together. Each one of them have a silver bolt in each one of the shelf, and you have 3 slots that go on this shelf, and you put a silver bolt. You have 6 silver bolts for this one and 2 for this one. To attach the smoker, you gotta put it from inside and push it all the way through, and then you insert the bolt, and then you tighten it up and you get your smoker. So we're almost there. Now we only have the handles left to attach and the thermometer, and then we will finish. So just a few more minutes and we'll finish the grill. That's what your finishing should look like. You have the smoker, you have the grill section. That's what your finished product should look like. I hope this video helped you to set up your grill. That's what your finishing should look like. You have the smoker, you have the grill section. That's what your finished product should look like. I hope this video helped you to set up your grill. Now we have on the shelf. You have these right there that hold the shelf together. Each one of them have a silver bolt in each one of the shelf, and you have 3 slots that go on this shelf, and you put a silver bolt. You have 6 silver bolts for this one and 2 for this one. To attach the smoker, you gotta put it from inside and push it all the way through, and then you insert the bolt, and then you tighten it up and you get your smoker. So we're almost there. Now we only have the handles left to attach and the thermometer, and then we will finish. So just a few more minutes and we'll finish the grill.